What's up guys, Christian Gill here, and today I'm about to show the flood. We got Tony here, and we got Mum here. Mum,
Hi.
walking through the water actually feels really nice on my feet.
Oh.
So I'm going to walk through that, okay?
Okay, where you go?
Yes, yes! Okay. Guys, we're about to walk through a big flood of water that happened in Auckland here, and I'm really excited. I'm doing a YouTube video. Look at this, you guys. Big flood of water. This is a place we used to do move our sheep, and now it's just all flooded and everything. I actually need to wash my shoe off, so this is a good time to walk through it. That's better. Oops, look at this. It goes all the way up there. How deep does it get? Yeah? What's up? What are you doing? Look at this. Long ankle high. It's filled with stones and everything. It's really annoying too. Look at that. This is amazing. It goes all the way through the fence and everything. Look at that. This is amazing. I don't get any deeper than this, but it goes right through the fence. Look at that, it's a pool, it's amazing. Wow. It goes all the way up there. It doesn't go any deeper, that goes shallower. But that is incredible. Whoa, almost fell. This is lovely. It's nice and warm too. Two stones. They're not allowed in there. Yeah. That is exciting. Alright guys, well, like and subscribe for more content. And wow. I want to there we go. That did not help it anyway. Well guys, like, subscribe for more content.